Hi Eric, this is a four-eyed Mustang foxbody, about 85, 86 heater assembly. You'll get the passenger side supply tube that comes from this main body, the defrost tubes here, this tube to the driver's side vent, the blend door, or whatever this door box is here, this actuator. That's pretty much everything I see here. So if there's anything else more that you think you might need, let me know. But I think you just need this tube, this defrost setup, this main body right here with the blend door, actuator, and then this driver's side tube. Thank you.